Hello all! Today I decided to make a video how to use playing cards for tarot reading at home. So first you should take a deck with playing cards, and you should think about the question that you want to understand what to do, or something that you are interested in. When you take the cards and you shuffle them, you are thinking about your question or about the situation that you want to know about, and to receive information or to receive some solutions. When you are ready, you can pull out 3 cards from the deck. The first one is for the past, the second one is for the current moment, and the last one is for future. I should say that here in playing cards we can use only the small arcanas, because we have no big ones here. And so now I will explain which paint corresponds to tarot cards. So I will use the aces. So we have here hearts. The ace of hearts in tarot is ace of cups, and so all the hearts are corresponding to the cups in tarot cards. And in a while I will explain some of the cards. So after that we have the clubs, ace of clubs. In tarot, ace of clubs is ace of wands. Then we have ace of diamonds. Ace of diamonds in tarot is ace of pentacles, and all the diamonds correspond to pentacles. And the last one, ace of spades, which corresponds to ace of swords, and all the spades correspond to swords in tarot. So I explained you for the aces. Then we have pages, or page of cups. Then we have in the other paints we have page of wands, page of pentacles, and page of swords. Then we have queen of cups, and for example this is queen of wands. Then we have, just a second, we have king, or here this card is king of wands. And so the other cards are king of cups, king of swords, and king of pentacles. While you know the meaning of the paints, you know the meaning of the cups, I wanted just to say, for example, after ace of cups, for example, we have 2 of cups, then we have 3 of cups, and so on till 9 of cups. And I think in my other videos to explain you what meaning has every card in the deck, and how you can take a solution from the reading. So I hope you will subscribe for my channel and watch my next videos. Bye!